In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail tabs to organize your email more efficiently and keep your inbox tidy. Whether you're new to Gmail or just looking for ways to declutter your email experience, understanding these tabs can make a huge difference in how you manage your day-to-day correspondence. First, let's talk about what Gmail tabs are and why they're so useful. Gmail provides a feature called tabs, which are essentially categorized sections that help sort your emails into different types. This way, you can focus on what matters most without getting overwhelmed by less important messages. You'll typically find tabs like Primary, Social, Promotions, Updates, and Forums at the top of your inbox. Each of these plays a unique role in keeping your information organized and accessible. Let's begin by logging into your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll notice that your emails are initially sorted into these different tabs. The Primary tab is where you'll find the emails from people you communicate with frequently. These are usually your personal interactions, and they take the top priority for most users. Next, let's move on to the Social tab. This is where emails from social networking sites, media sharing platforms, and other social websites are organized. Keeping these emails here allows you to easily track updates and notifications without cluttering your most important emails. The Promotions tab is vital for housing anything marketing related. This includes sale announcements, special offers, and newsletters from businesses you've subscribed to. Having these emails separated helps you quickly catch great deals without them detracting from more pressing messages. Then there's the Updates tab, where you'll find emails related to confirmations, receipts, and bills. This is a great place to easily track your orders or payments, ensuring you never miss important transactional information. Finally, the Forums tab keeps emails from online groups, discussion boards, and mailing lists organized in one spot. This way, you can engage in community discussions without them interfering with your primary inbox. If you find a particular tab isn't meeting your needs, you can customize these tabs to better fit your preferences. Simply click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail window and select See All Settings. From there, navigate to the Inbox tab. Here you'll be able to enable or disable specific tabs based on what works best for you. Simply check or uncheck the tabs you'd like to appear at the top of your inbox. Remember, getting the most out of Gmail tabs will require a little experimentation. Over time, you'll see improved productivity and a greater sense of control over your inbox. So, take the time to explore and customize these features. It makes tackling your email a lot less daunting and a lot more efficient. By integrating these tips into your daily routine, you'll streamline your communication and maintain a tidy, organized email environment.